Hi everyone, welcome back to the video lecture series on protection switchgears. And in last class, we have seen the basics of power systems and symbols, primary equipments, components, and why the protection systems is needed, and primary protections, backup protections, when protections without power system without protection, what happens? And finally, we are ended up with elements of power system protections. So today we are continuing with what are the elements in detail. We are going to see the elements in detail. First thing is current transformer. So current transformer, what happens is the current transformer consists at least two secondary windings. The first winding is usually designed for measuring, and the second winding is used for protection. So one is for measuring, another for is protection. The secondary of the current transformer is almost connected in the star. The secondary of the protection winding is almost connected in the star. This is this current transformer diagram. Here we can see the components, how it is assembled, and we can see the picture, overall final picture of this current transformer, how the primary side and the secondary side is a three-phase, and this is a single phase, and this is the type of transformer, how it is winding takes place. Now coming to voltage transformer. Here the voltage transformer consists of two windings. The first winding connected in the star, and the second and the shares the point must be and the shared point must be the second winding is connected as open delta, and second winding is connected in open delta type. So primary side is star side, and secondary side is delta side. Here this is what the secondary transformer. This is what a voltage transformer, which is primary side is a star connector, and secondary side is delta connector. And third one is relay. So relay, why the relay is used? As a relay's purpose, isolate control circuit from control unit. Is isolate the control circuit from the relay. Control circuit from controlling circuit from control circuit. So the control high voltage system with low voltage. So control high current system with low current and with the logical functions. So this is the purpose of relay. So next is advantages for using protective relay. What are the advantages for using protective relay? So direct system failures when they occurs and isolate the fault session from the remaining of the system. Occurring fault section from the remaining, it protects the fault section from the remaining of the systems, mitigating the effect of failures after they occurs. Minimize risk of fire, damage, danger to personnel, and the other high voltage system managed to propose and high voltage systems. Okay, next is circuit breaker. The purpose of circuit breaker. So low voltage circuit breaker, we have so many types of circuit breaker. The low voltage circuit breaker, so magnetic circuit breaker, medium voltage circuit breaker, and high voltage circuit breaker. These are the four types of circuit breaker. Here comes the battery bank. What is the usage of battery bank? Is battery bank are called as the backbone of protection systems. So emergency used for protection systems, emergency used for power systems. Okay, so this is what the battery bank. Now coming to the fuse. Fuse, what happens is fuses are selected to allow passage of normal current and of excessive current only for short period, and it is used to protect a low voltage or current rating devices. So this is the main purpose of the fuse, selected to allow passage of normal current or of an excessive current only for a short period of a time. Okay. Now coming to lightning arrestor. So lightning arrestor, what is the purpose of this arrestor? The lightning arrestor is a device is used on electrical power system to protect the insulation damaging effects of lightning. All lightning arrestors are earthed. Okay. Now what is switchgear? Switchgear is the combination of switches. Now finally coming to what is switchgear. It is a combination of switches, fuses, or circuit breakers used to control, protect, and isolate electrical equipments. It is used de-energized equipments and clean fault. It is used de-energized equipment and clean fault. So different elements of switch gears. So here we have different elements of switch gears. One is circuit breaker. So we have so many types of circuit breakers. That is air circuit breaker, vacuum circuit breaker, and oil filled circuit breaker, SF6 circuit. So MCCB, that is molded cast circuit breaker. and MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker, RCCB, that is a residual current circuit breaker, and load breaking circuit breaker, bypass and changeover circuit breaker, isolator, that is switches, and fuses. So these are the different elements of circuit breaker. Now coming to functions of circuit breaker. So function wise categories are automated. So automated and manual. So automated and manual means example, that is automated, which are considered automated manual circuit breaker, MCB, MCCB. So only automatic operations, that is fuse. Fuse is an automatic operation. Only manual activity operator, that is isolator and LBBS. Okay. With this, today we are going to end up with this video lecture series, and we can meet in another video lecture series. Thank you so much.